Let's see what happens. Nah, sis. Sis, nah. Oh, I done killed her. Learn from me. Do not try to curl her with no wine. Before I dive too deep, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, comment down below something that you enjoyed about the video, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed. So now, I know you know this is gonna be a wig review, but it's not the typical. This is a review with my girl, Chrissy with it. Hey, Miss Chrissy with it. Hey, that is my girl, y'all. I love her so much. She's so real. She's always smiling. Every time you watch a video from beginning, she's just smiling. Like, if you're having a bad day, you'll have a good day by the end of her video. I'm telling you, she has the bomb energy. She always keeps it real. And if you needed a wig and it wasn't in stock online, you probably called Chrissy and be like, Chrissy, what you got over there in stock, girl? You got that new? Yes, she has. Girl, I'm teasing you because you be having like all the wigs is ready on deck, ready to review. If you have, if there's a wig that you probably want to see a review on, if she hasn't done one already, I'm pretty sure she got it right there. Like, yeah, I'm about to record this one in just 2 minutes. Once you're done with my video, definitely head over there, tell her that Carrie sent you over, and call her, be like, hey, KHRISSY. But yeah, we're gonna get into this video. Both of us are going to be reviewing a wig from the Melt collection, from the Janet collection. So I'm going to be reviewing Alyssa. Not sure what she's gonna be reviewing yet, so that's like I gotta go over there and see. But let me go ahead and pull this hair out and get started. So I'm gonna be reviewing Alyssa. The color is DR.Copper. Now, a little bit about the Melt collection, right? It's supposed to have a natural hairline, pre-plucked, pre-customized, and natural. And it also has an extended part lace. It's not like a whole front of lace everywhere. You just get that parting space that's lace, and then that natural hairline that's lace. It says it's 100% hand-tied with soft Swiss lace, natural density, and the meltdown is supposed to be real. So we're gonna see what the meltdown looking like for Miss Alyssa today. The amount that I spent for her online was gonna slide up in this video right about now because I'm not really sure. And you know I gotta offer Sam's Beauty because that is my go-to. All right, so this is the unit literally straight out the box and the netting, okay? She is big and fluffy. Talk about some natural density. Baby, she is big. I got some mousse. We're going to try to tame her down. I do need to mention, it does say you can use heat up to 360 degrees, so that is a plus, so we can do little things with her. The parting space, it says deep, but honestly, she looks like a good 3 to 4 inches of parting space. Now, the construction of the wig, okay? We have a comb in the nape area. We have some adjustable straps. We do have 2 combs right aside where the parting space is. And then this is the lace, you guys. The lace is literally just for the hairline. Not too much lace, but just enough for your hairline. So that's not too bad at all. So let me go ahead and get her on my head and see what we're working with. Ooh, baby. All right. Okay. So this is her straight up on my head, straight out of the pack, okay? Before I start tweaking her and stuff, let me just talk about it real quick. As far as the size, she does feel like she barely made it to the big head friendly mark. She's like getting like right here. She's not, she just feels like she just made it. Like she's snug like a glove. You feel what I'm saying? I mean, I don't know how far up I can pull her, but you probably get a little more space once you cut the lace off. So let me cut the lace off to see what we're working with. So I cut the lace off, but before I continue trying to get her slayed and right, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the lace real quick. So as far as it looking like a natural hairline, I would say just about right here is the most natural. Once we start getting down to the sides, it becomes less natural. I mean, of course, that part is going to be the most visible area, but it's not like natural throughout the whole area. I'm not mad at this area here. If that's going to be the area that's showed the most, I'm probably going to pull out some baby hairs, try to lay that down. I am going to use some freeze spray to get her laid down just so we can get like a good vision of her while she's sitting down nice and good.
Ooh, boy, you nasty. Ooh, boy, you nasty. Ooh, boy, you nasty. Holla, holla, holla. Damn, daddy.
Princess Alyssa now that I got her on my head. Now we're going to start talking about the hairline. The hairline is more natural, centered in the area where the part is. That's how I feel. So it's sparse, like you don't really see a lot of bulkiness going on, so that gives you that naturalness. However, you do see the black knots. I'm not really tripping. It is a synthetic wig. It's only $32.99, so everything is not going to be like A1, like you spent top dollar on it. I'm all right with that, okay? I'm all right with that little small space of feeling natural. As you start going down, you can start seeing that she start to become less natural, and it gets very bulky. You can go ahead and tweeze her to your liking all the way through, and a little bit more in that area, and she will look 100% natural. I could have put some foundation on the lace because she does kind of have like that gray tint to her. But if you're somebody who's a beginner, you're not used to plucking and all of that, then this is not for you. I would not even consider this a beginner-friendly wig, to be honest with you, because you do have to do a little bit of work. And I'm not just talking about just the hairline, but the hair too. Like, this is a big floofy wig. She is a tangly unit, okay? So there's not one moment where I could just stick my hands through her without hitting a snag or two. She gets very tangly. I feel like she's very full. This is a pro and a con in my opinion. You can always take like a razor comb or something and thin her out if you wanted to. She does take some heat. I'm thinking that maybe I can put some spiral curls up in her. We're gonna see if she holds a little wavy curl or something, because the mousse, it gets it right, but once you start drying, she poofs back up. Of course, you could throw some serum into it or something to kind of lock that in, but I don't like putting too much stuff in my wigs. Let's see. I'm supposed to use a glove for this, y'all. Nah, sis. Sis, nah. It said you could put heat to her. But it also said, and in the picture had like a curling iron if you wound her up, but she did not wind up, and I probably done ruined this thing. I don't know. She ain't gonna come back to life, is she? Oh, I done killed her. Okay, so learn from me. Do not try to curl her with no wine. That's crazy that it said that I can use some heat to her up to 350 degrees. This is on 325. Image is of you curling her. Can you see that picture? Like curling it up. This did not curl it up. It straightened this sucker out like this, please. So yeah, I don't know about that part. We ain't worried about that right now. This is a review, so we were just seeing what we could do with her. So now we know we can't do that. Damn, y'all, I can't even take my thumbnail pictures. I done ruined sis. I'm serious, though. I'm not even joking. She ain't no plop and go. This is something that you got to get ready for on the weekends. When the weekend comes, you're like, let me get Alyssa, get her right, get her together, put them on, go out. This is a weekend wig. This is not something you're going to get up and wear to work every day because nobody got time for it. Did I give y'all 360? Let me show you. All right, y'all, so we're gonna wrap this up because Alyssa is just Alyssa. She's just Alyssa, okay? Not every wig review is gonna be a good one. I mean, not saying she's horrible. She's not horrible. She just is what she is. If this is your cup of tea, go ahead and go for it. But this is just, this ain't for me. This is not my vibe. I don't know. I would like to try out some other wigs from this Melt collection as well because, you know, it's a different style of hair. Maybe it's going to be a little bit different. Now, because this is a collab with my sister, Chrissy, y'all go ahead and head to her channel. Check out her review. See what Melt lace unit she has. Now, because I went ahead and straightened that piece out and I can't seem to get it right, I was like, you know what? Why not straighten the hair out? So stay tuned to the next video. I'm gonna go ahead and flatten out Alyssa and see how she is after that, and then I'll review it that way because it ain't no turning back once we go straight. Bye.